Hello, welcome to the Tower Coffee Hour. Today we're going to look at dead tree removal in Miller. We've got a number of cypress trees that didn't make it, and the question is, should they be in the first place? Cypress need their feet in water, and these trees certainly aren't in that situation. So let's take a look and see what's going on. So he's spreading a tape to keep people from running up and down the sidewalk. The guy over here on the right is...
Yeah, the owner of the Ford's moving out.
Where?
The big black car is going to move
right
out.
there.
And so now they got tape so people don't run down the sidewalk while they're doing this. That's a good thought.
All right, got the tape in place?
All right, here we go. Come on, crank it up.
Yeah,
Good.
here we go. Got a second one.
Two people on that line. Here we go, here we go. Coming on down, coming on down. Here we go.
Crash.
All right. Okay, now we're going
Yeah, now he's going to cut off the limbs and stuff all through.
to we're going to grind it in. It's time to go home. We're not going to listen to this.
Chip those up and supposedly blow it in a truck. But here's what happens. Oh, look at the size of that. Okay, so what happens is that chip the rest of these they'll just carry and throw them back in the truck. So we cut them into human-sized pieces. on Simon and Brightview Tree Services.